Anmol Bishnoi is seeking to surrender before court in the Salman Khan house firing case for a fair trial. So, gangster Anmol Bishnoi, who is currently lodged in Tihar jail, has moved a plea before a special court in Mumbai, seeking to surrender in the 2024 Salman Khan residence firing case in the interest of a fair trial and justice, as quoted by him. Now, Anmol is the younger brother of jailed gangster Lawrence Bishnoi. He was deported from the United States in November last year and was subsequently arrested by the National Investigative Agency. He was wanted in several cases. He's a wanted accused in the Salman Khan residence firing case as well, being probed by the Mumbai police. And in the latest, he is seeking to surrender before court in the case. My colleague Paras is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Paras, what are the details? Why has Anmol Bishnoi sought to surrender before court in the Salman Khan case?
Rightly said, this is a very important part of the entire investigation which is taken place in Salman Khan house firing case. Now it has been in the limelight that Anmol Bishnoi, the main accused in Salman Khan house firing case, has filed a plea before the special Makoga court that he wants to surrender because he wants the fair investigation in this entire scenario. He is already lodged in Tihar jail, but now this this plea has been filed by the lawyers of Anmol Bishnoi, who is already in jail in a conspiracy and a terror angle case. He was executed by NIA in year 2025. After that, he was in NIA custody and then was sent to Tihar jail. And now this development has come into light that Anmol Bishnoi has filed a plea in special Makoga court that he wants to surrender, and he should be produced before the court via the online method or by physical means. Right now, the situation, the plea has been filed at the special Makoga court, and now it will be very important to see what will happen next. Did court will do the needful in this entire matter or not?
Okay, all right. Paras, thank you for joining us with all those details. We're shifting our attention to